snow is on us now. It's a freaking blizzard. This is actually snowpocalypse. My hands are freezing.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for B gates. B as in Bravo.
It's 11:57. We just got here. How do you guys feel?
Tired. Jet lag.
Tired. Cold. But we're here. We're in Colorado. Next is a 2-hour drive. Alright, so we're getting ready. Oh no. It's super bright outside.
That's true.
So I fixed my strap. This is a rubber band because it kept on slipping, and I just rubber band the heck out of it. We're almost ready to go. And we're all psyched.
Ready to go snowboarding. I'm excited. Look at this place.
It's gonna be pretty fun.
Further south.
It's the longest run. So we're here doing soliloquy, which is the longest run. It started snowing, which is awesome. We're all kind of tired, but look at that view.
That is awesome.
So we're gonna go on 2 more runs and hopefully not die. We'll see you on the other side. Dave, are you there? Can anyone hear me? It's gonna be fun. Look at that snow in the background. It's crazy.